Hey everyone! Welcome to our deep dive into Dave Ramsey's financial wisdom. Think of Dave as your financial guru, guiding us through the maze of personal finance with humor and practical advice. Today, we're focusing on his most impactful insights to help you harness the power of your income, escape debt, and build wealth. We are talking about investing. Get ready to turn your financial dreams into reality.
That I'm a firm believer that the borrower is slave to the lender, because your most powerful wealth building tool is your income.
Let's unpack this. Imagine your income as a stream of water. When it flows into numerous expenses, like debt payments, there's little left for anything else. But redirect this stream into savings and investments, and you create a powerful force for wealth building. Your income isn't just for meeting immediate needs. It's a key player in your long-term financial health. Think of it as a seed. If you plant it wisely in the fertile soil of investments, it can grow into a mighty tree of wealth. But if you scatter it away on debts, it's like feeding weeds in your financial garden, choking your potential growth. It's about making strategic choices. By prioritizing debt repayment and redirecting your income towards investments, you're not just saving money, you're cultivating a future of financial freedom and abundance.
The average car payment in America today is $503. That's just cray-cray. That's nutty.
Why is this a big deal? Well, that's a significant chunk of money going into a depreciating asset, which is your car. Imagine if instead of vanishing into car payments, that money was consistently invested. Over time, due to the wonders of compound interest, this could grow into a substantial sum.
If you invest $500 in a decent growth stock mutual fund from age 30 to age 70, you'll have over $5 million. That one thing will make you worth $5 million. Isn't that amazing?
It's not just about skipping luxury wheels. It's a strategic decision to prioritize long-term wealth over short-term pleasure. It's like choosing between a fancy dinner out every night or a dream vacation after a year of savings. The temporary joy of a new car pales in comparison to the financial freedom and opportunities that come with a robust investment portfolio. This mindset shift from immediate gratification to long-term vision is a cornerstone of Dave's financial philosophy. Dave is a staunch advocate for a debt-free life.
And so I've become known for getting people out of debt, and it changes your life. It changes your family tree. It changes your retirement. You retire with dignity. And getting out of debt in order to invest is the shortest way.
The message is clear. Debt is not just a financial burden. It's a barrier to a better life. Living debt-free is akin to shedding a heavy weight you've been carrying. It's liberating and empowering. Without the constant stress of debt, you gain the freedom to make choices that align with your values and long-term goals, such as saving for retirement, investing in experiences, or providing a better future for your family. This freedom also extends to your emotional and mental well-being. Debt often brings anxiety and limits your options. Freeing yourself from this cycle not only improves your financial position, but also enhances your quality of life. It's about creating a legacy of financial stability and wisdom for yourself and future generations. Dave points out the crux of financial planning. The entire financial industry focuses on the investing part of the equation. This is crucial because investing is where your money grows and works for you. Investing isn't just about putting money into stocks or mutual funds. It's about creating a future where your money multiplies and provides security and opportunities. When you invest, you're buying a piece of a business, a slice of the economy. Your investment grows with the success of these entities, leading to wealth accumulation over time. It's like planting a garden. You start with seeds or your investments, and with patience and care, or in our case, strategic planning and regular contributions, you cultivate a thriving garden, a robust portfolio. This growth enables you to reach financial milestones, whether it's buying a home, funding education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. The key is to start early, be consistent, and stay informed. And there we have it, a journey through Dave Ramsey's essential financial wisdom. Remember, it's about harnessing the power of your income, escaping the burden of debt, and building wealth through informed investing. These principles aren't just about money. They're about crafting a life of freedom, security, and prosperity. So take these insights, Apply them and watch your financial landscape transform. Here's to your financial success. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video valuable. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom and tips. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from Dave Ramsey's advice. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, do watch this next video where we'll break down Dave Ramsey's famous 7 baby steps to financial freedom. It's a game changer for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Click on the video thumbnail to continue your journey to financial mastery. See you there!